Okay, welcome to Investor Series, where we are going to talk about
market update,
ways to grow your wealth.
and how the benefits from investment.
Welcome back to our weekly update. I'm Shahid.
I'm Fairuzee, and we are back here, and we are going to update on the market.
Yes.
But before anything else, Happy New Year. Hopefully this year, 2026, will be a good year for everyone in every aspect.
Yes.
And how are you, Shahid? Good?
I'm good. I'm excited.
Excited for the year?
Excited for the year, excited for the investment.
Oh, yes.
I mean,
Alright.
since we're talking about investment, right?
Yes. So how's the market, Shahid, right now?
So if you look at the S&P 500, because you always use S&P 500 as an indicator, right?
Yes.
So currently it is 6902. Okay. So there's a slight upwards
Yes.
since last week.
Yeah. So last week, it goes up a bit because of the Christmas rally, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Then after that, what happened?
The Christmas rally, everything goes relaxed, so the market goes down a little bit. And then just recently, I think last 4 days,
It went up.
4 days it went up.
Right. Yeah. So basically, why it went down, I think is one of the reasons is because there's what we call here, there's the profit taking
Yes.
from people. Okay,
Yeah.
from those who profited from the Christmas rally. Then after that, it went up. So what's the reason that it goes up, Shahid?
So some of the reason, if we look at the market analysis, is that because of the war.
Yes.
So interestingly, because of normally when wars happen, people thought that the market will go down.
Yeah.
Okay, but because of the recent war that happened in Venezuela,
Yeah.
so one of the reason is with this happen, there's opportunity for America's company
Yeah.
to go there and restructuring.
Yeah.
Restructure the oil industry,
Yes, correct. Yeah, the energy sector lah.
the energy sector. Yes.
Yeah, but of course, again, all of these are just speculation.
Yeah.
So, there's optimism from the American companies because they thought that there will be what we call here, there will be opportunities because of what happened
Yeah.
with US and Venezuela. Of course, you are not going into the politics of it, but just that what happened there actually affected the market. Right? Whether it's good or not, we may not know because these are just sentiments from the people
Yes.
that they feel optimistic. Okay, but whether it's good or not for the overall global sentiment, that we are not sure yet. But what we know that happened, confirmed, is that it affected the market, the optimism, and hence it went up lah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And because of this also, because of the war, normally people will be afraid.
Yeah.
But because of the opportunity, people are
Optimistic
about it.
Yes.
And because of that, the market is neutral, right? Like
Yes,
you said.
so right now, the market is neutral. If you look at the fear and greed index, so one of the ways of how we want to know whether it's good to go in or not, like been mentioned by Warren, one of the investors, right? He said that if people are greedy, then we don't go yet.
Yeah.
Okay, but if people are, afraid, then we go in. So right now, the fear and greed index, you can Google it, is actually in a neutral state. Where people are neither really fearful, nor people are really greedy, or greedy means that optimistic. So this is at a neutral state lah. Yeah, so Shahid, should we still invest or not?
Definitely, yes.
Yes.
I think to me, despite any situation,
Yeah.
we should always invest.
Yes, especially if you have a lot of, I would say, savings or lump sum money that you are not using in the near future lah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because as we know that when you have a lump sum of money, that we can consider that as your, what we call here, commodities, where you can actually sell that commodity and buy an appreciating asset, so that you can sell off that asset and you can gain more dollars or more money lah. Yeah. So how about the tech sector?
Okay.
Is there any news on technology?
Yeah.
Or
So
the tech companies?
So if we look at the S&P 500,
Yes.
it is going up.
Yeah.
However, if you look at the tech industry, it is, there's not much movement.
Yeah.
So in fact, if we, some of them says people are taking the profit from there,
Yeah.
from the tech industry.
Yeah.
So they are locking in their profit. So yeah. So the movement is much more on the energy sector.
Yes, correct. And this also goes to show that it is good that there's no news.
Yeah.
Because if it's always going up, then we are afraid that it might be, what we call here a bubble. It might burst because everyone is going into it. But now it's like, after the Christmas rally, people are profit taking. taking profits from it, and they are just relaxing lah right now.
And this is also a lesson for us to again apply the strategy of diversification.
Yes.
I think for the most part of our podcast, we talk a lot about tech industry.
Yeah.
I mean, that doesn't mean that we really want to push tech industry, just
Yeah.
that just to happen, tech was moving the market.
Profit. The profiting sector at that point of time.
Yeah.
And now we have the energy sector now. Yeah, energy sector is going up. Then after that, we also have gold.
Yes.
Yeah, gold is also going up. So people are asking, should we go into gold or not? I'll say you can go into gold, but don't expect it to always goes up.
Yes.
It is going up. It's an all-time high, and even silver is going above it.
Yeah.
But still do not expect that, I go into gold, it will never go down. It may go down. It can go down.
Yeah.
But currently, because of what is happening in US and Venezuela, and the people are have a bit of what we call here worry and have not that much trust in the national currencies.
Yeah.
Hence they invest in gold lah.
Yeah, that's right.
So that's why now gold is, even though the market is doing okay, but it's not going down because of what is happening. And also there's a lot of news, example, the revaluation of gold. So a lot of news about gold that people are saying that, we must buy into gold.
Yes.
So this is why gold goes up. But is it good to have it in your portfolio? I think okay.
Yeah.
But just do not go all in lah. So we have oil, tech, and gold, right?
Yeah.
Do not go all into all of this.
Yes.
So what you have to do? You have to diversify. So you have these three, maybe 30, 40, 30, up to you. So these are all strategies where you have to meet people who really know investing or investors like ourselves and also Estelle. You can DM any one of us, and then from there, you can make your move lah.
Yes.
So please do invest if you have a lot of money, because the money is in your bank. It doesn't profit you at all.
Yeah.
And it's actually devaluing.
Yes.
At the devaluation. So Shahid, what do we expect for next week? Any expectation?
I mean, if we look at the market, also people said that if early of the year the people goes up, I mean the market goes up, it is a sign that it's going to be a good year.
Yeah, but I think last year when we are in this period, we are optimistic, but
but suddenly, in February, I think February.
In February, it went down a bit, but then in April, it went down the most.
Yeah.
So always be careful. Always do not go all in certain sectors. Always have maybe gold, energy, gold, tech, energy. So we have all of this, and even dividends, even sukuk, even bonds. You can look into diversify into all of these sectors.
If you want to have a snapshot of what happened last year, you can listen to our last week's podcast. I shared what happened throughout the year.
Yes, thank you, Shahid, for that. Right, so anything else?
I think just again understand your goal, understand your risk appetite. Then from there you can strategize your investment portfolio properly.
Your holding power is very important. Make sure that you have the time. 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. If 1 month you want to invest, it's a very short time for you to invest. Because in 1 month anything can happen. It can go down. Yes, it can go up, but it can go down also. So if it went down and you really need the money in 1 month time, then you have to take it out. And then you will be at a loss.
And one more thing I want to say is don't let the hype control your decision.
Yes, correct. So basically you need to have informed decision on what you are going to do lah. So that's all for this week. We are going to meet you next week for another update. See you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.